Welcome to Tech Thursday on Closeller TV, the space where curiosity meets innovation. I am Matthias.
And I am Rose. Today we'll be diving into a crucial part of tech you would love to see and hear. Guess what that is? Prompting in AI.
If you've ever asked ChatGPT a question or asked Siri something smart, guess what? You've just prompted.
Yes, definitely. Then you ask, what is prompting? Prompting is not just asking a random question to an AI. No, it doesn't work that way. Rather, it starts from your mind, drafting an imagination into creativity and reality. So, prompting means providing an instruction, idea, and question to an AI model such as ChatGPT and other AI-generated mail to solve your problem.
Exactly. There are two types of prompting. We have the basic prompting, like asking Siri, what is the weather like?
Now we have an advanced prompting. That is a complex part of prompting. It is well structured, such as asking an AI a question like designing a two-story building with flowers surrounding it, how you want it to look. Have you seen the difference?
You might be wondering why we are talking about prompting. We're talking about prompting because prompting determines the kind of result you get from your AI. AI is garbage in, garbage out.
Yes, prompting is a literally tech skill that is used in our daily lives, such as in our educational sector, health sector, and economic sector.
Even as creative, prompting is a very good skill to have as a designer. We can use prompting in ChatGPT models, in Siri models, in Meta models, because with good prompting you get good results. And we can also use this in generating of good color codes in designing, in generating of consistent system pattern in UI UX designing.
And don't forget that prompting does not replace you as human. Rather, it makes you to be exceptional and different from others in the game. As a content creator, worry no more on where to get background. Or are you a shy type? Worry no more, for ChatGPT and other AI model got you covered.
Now it's your turn to try this. She gave a very practical example. Try your own practical example. Maybe you could try to build a logo or a UI UX system. Just remember that in prompting, you need to give a more detailed information of what you want.
So it's your turn to win and it's your turn to speak. Are you finding it difficult to write, type, or brainstorm? Worry no more, we got you covered. All you have to do is to send your script to us and we'll be able to prompt it effectively for you. Do you know the interesting and amazing part of prompting using AI? It changes the way you talk, work, and relate with people. Indeed, it's a life changer.
Absolutely. AI is productivity.
And it gives you a nutritious ingredient as a content creator and also as a businessman. It brings out your imagination into reality.
And for designer like myself, Firefly is also in a very recent AI tool that I feel like it's worth trying, especially for designers and UI UX designers.
Do you know you can use it to write your project topic?
My Odogu, you can use beautiful AI to generate this thing. It will help you to generate very neat slides, presentation slides, very fresh and neat slides that when you see like this, man,
get exposed and don't hide in dark of ignorance.
Tune in every Thursday at Closeller TV. Spark new conversation, and who knows, your next big idea may just start from here.